Can you able to hear me? Prajwal, very good morning. Very good morning. Very good morning. Had breakfast? Yes, you are the. Yeah, even I too had. Okay, poha. Today I had a poha. Okay, what was your special? Yes, can you hear me? What was your special? What was your special today's breakfast? Yes. Arey wow, it means you have taken a concrete till afternoon. You don't get hungry. Very good. Always you have to have such foods early in the morning. Okay. Yeah, because you are young and energetic. If you have breakfast and all, it's of no use. Yes, Bade Sahib, good morning. Bade Sahib, good morning. Yes, Prajwal and Bade Sahib, have you attended the classes in the college? Okay, only in the online classes you have attended. Yes, you know how many of the modules we have completed? 1.5 in the college. That one model was sequencing and game theory. Am I right? Do you have any idea about sequencing topic and very easiest number of jobs and 2 machines, 3 machines, you know some idea at least? That yes, that is the easiest topic in the entire war subject. Only thing is you must be knowing how to sequence the given problem first. Once if you found out the sequence, then prepare a table and go and write the values. Okay, what is in time, what is out time for each job. Okay, and then you find out how many machines had idle time. Okay, and get to know all the jobs when you are going to complete within what time. Likewise, that is what talks about sequencing. See, I don't know, this time hardly the students, some 7-8 students have attended regularly in the college, and that is continued in the online classes also. Those who are attending, the same strength is attending, not beyond the strength. Like different students have not attended only. Okay, see, till now only 2, Prajwal and Bade Sahib have attended. Okay, despite I have given invitation yesterday only. This is the date, this is the time at which I take the classes. Okay, but doesn't matter if those who do not attend, you ask them to be serious for war subject. Okay, if you have any knowledge, hope you can share with them. Okay, you have absolutely no time at all. When the college reopens, hope directly you are going for the exam. Please remember that, except some 2 weeks. Okay, once the college reopens, you will get maximum 2 weeks. In these 2 weeks, you have to go for IA test, 2 IA test, and seminars you have. Okay, and when you are rejoining the college, remember, internship report should be submitted on the day of reopening only. Okay, very next day your seminar starts. Very next day your seminar starts. Except 3 or 4 students have submitted internship report. Okay, don't say after you rejoin, sir, I am not prepared. Nobody is there to listen your words henceforth. Immediately you have to submit on the day of reopening of the college. Okay, yes, let us go to the exam. Let us go to the problem now. Okay, I think this kind of problems already 2-3 I have taken, and let me end up this kind of problems. Okay, precedenship or the relation, whatever it is, we'll end up today by taking this type of problem. Okay, I think with this we are ending up the Pert and CPM topic. Only thing is, if you have any doubt about the Pert and CPM topic of any problem, okay, in the first step what we did, the first step of Pert and CPM was, okay, Pert and CPM topic, what we covered is earliest time, latest time. Am I right? Then what else? Tell me now. In the table, what we used to prepare? Entire big table. What all things we used to find out? Earliest start time, latest start time. Am I right? Of course, earliest finish time. This is earliest start time, earliest finish time. What after that? What? Very good. Latest start time, latest finish time. Yes, very good. And what you call that is latest total float. Next, free float and independent float. Am I right? Yes. Along with this, no doubt, critical path. How to find a critical path? Along with this, project duration. Am I right? Yes. This was one type of problem. Remember it. In Pert and CPM, minimum 3 to 4, 5 problems I think I have taken to find out all these values. Am I right? Yes. The second type was, prismatic time, optimistic time, and most likely times we had given. Am I right? Of course, network diagram in each and every, either case may be 1, case may be 2, or case may be 3. In all the types of cases, we need to draw network diagram. So generally, I have categorized it into 3 types. One is this kind of problem, okay, and second is when 3 different types of times are being given, how to find, yes, project duration, critical path, probability of completion of the project. Am I right? Yes. When these 3 types of problems were given, what was the equation for us? Expected time is equal to TP plus TO plus 4TM divided by 6. Am I right? And what about variance? Variance is equal to TP minus TO divided by square, bracket square. Yes. These are the 2 new equations we had to find, yes, expected time, because actual time or expected time he is not giving in this type of second section. Am I right? These different types of problems he is giving. Making use of these different types of times, we need to find expected time, TE. Okay. After that, variance he was asking. With help of this equation, variance we found out. That was the second type. Am I right? Second type of problem. In the third type, what is going on since from last 3 days? Yes. First type is compulsory is asking, and the second bit either is asking second type or third type. Yes. If second type comes, you are lucky. Am I right? Because the relation was given 1 to 2, 1 to 3 likewise. Directly relation is giving, and hope it is easy for us to draw the network diagram. Yes. When this is given, you need to think a little bit more. Third type. Again procedure followed either in case 1 or case 2. Even in third case also it is same. But only thing is network diagram is the problem if this kind of problems comes. But I made it yesterday, day before yesterday, even before that day also, how to draw these kinds. Is it clear now? Yeah, one more problem. Let me know, Prajwal and Bade Sahib. Students are not attending. Is it because they do not want to attend, or is it because they do not have a connectivity? Let me know very clearly. Yes. No, I will tell you. Vinayak, welcome. Good morning. Vinayak, can you able to hear me? Vinayak. Okay, no problem. Vinayak has joined. Third person is. Yeah, let me know. As you said, sir, most of the students do not have laptop. I agree. Even I too do not have laptop. Remember it. Okay, that is number 1. And number 2, most of the students simply say, sir, network problem. No, I do agree. There are students who do not have a network. I never deny it, yaar. No, no. Always I am in favor of students. But does it means those 90% of the students do not have any network? Mahantesh, good morning. Mahantesh, good morning. Can you able to hear Mahantesh? Can you able to hear me, Mahantesh? Yes. Yes. He is not replying. I don't know whether he has a decency of network or not. No problem. Yeah, I was talking you. Yes, Bharmani Halaskar, good morning. Bharmani Halaskar, why you both did late to join? Mahantesh and Halaskar? Yes? Yes, go ahead, please. Yes, please, Mahantesh and Halaskar. Did late to join here today? Yes. That. Sorry, Halaskar. You are well, no? Are you okay? Arey baap re. No. You should not suffer by any of such minor problems here, please. You are young and energetic. Okay? No problem. Sometimes it happens. It happens to sometimes God also, yaar. Not we are after all humans. Don't worry. Yes. Mahantesh. I was asking before both of you. I was asking two guys had joined. Namely, I think he was Prajwal and Bade Sahib. Okay. And of course Vinayak, again he left now. He had joined and left. Okay. Fine. What I was asking that. See, whatever the strength was there in the college when classes was going, as you know all, Mahantesh and especially Halaskar, you were always the regular students without any missing the single class. Maximum strength was 7, 8. Am I right? Number one. And number two, even in the online classes also, except the few new faces, except 2-3 new faces, rest are not attending. So I just wanted to know the same question I was asking before you two join, before both of you join, the others 3 who had joined. I was asking them, let me know, most of those students are not attending. Is it because they don't have any interest? Number one. Number two, is it because really they do not have a connectivity? Number 3, is it because they neglect the subject or they assume they can get through? Let me know the answer, those who have attended today. Yes. Is it because they don't have interest? Of course, it is very clear since from 3rd semester when I was taking 4th semester. I know that, but still they are final year students here. You are final year and you are matured students. Okay. That is what I would like to know. That is one. Number 2. And whatever the students are saying, is it because they don't have any decency of network? Is it correct? Mahantesh? No. I think hardly 10 to 20% are from village nowadays who are taking admission in the college. Hardly few students are taking admission from other taluka except the Belgaum taluka. But most of the students are from Belgaum taluka only. Am I right? Most. Maybe there are few who are from other taluka also. I agree. Okay. Days have gone. There was a time many of the students are admitting from different states also. In my college only. I was the witness. I am the witness. Yes. But now days are different. Even district also stopped now. From district to district entry. Only taluka is started now. Even slowly taluka is going out. Only from the same taluka students are going to join. This is the days we are looking. No problem. Yes. Can I conclude like most of the students do not join because they have less interest? Number 1. And of course few students don't join because, as you said, decency network they do not have. Am I right? Yes. No problem here. Let us do our duty. If they attend, if they do not attend, it is left to them. If they don't attend, they are losers. This is one of the point I was asking to your friends before they had joined. And second was, see, in Pert and CPM almost with today's problem, we will end up the Pert and CPM entire module. Okay, entire module of Pert and CPM. Okay, except one section. In Pert and CPM you have 2 questions, am I right? 32 marks. Total I mean, out of which 16 marks you need to attend. So roughly, when 2 questions means, let us say A and B, if each question covers A, B, 4 bits are going to come. I have covered 3 bits now. Okay, what are 3 bits? See, in Pert and CPM we have found out earliest time, latest time, and so on and so forth. Am I right? Yes, that was first bit. Second bit, there were 3 different times used to give. With help of these different times, we found expected time with help of this equation. Tp plus To plus 4Tm divided by 6. And also we found out variance. Tp minus To, okay, divided by 6 to the bracket square. That was second type of problem. Second bit. And the third bit is, yes, this one, whatever we are taking by the letters, not by the activities. Is it clear? So out of these 3, 1 questions 100% you covers. Not only 1 question, 1.5 questions. It means 16 marks, 1 question. Second 16, out of 16, yes, 1 bit also covers up this kind of problems. It means, to sum up, Pert and CPM, roughly we have covered major portion of the part in Pert and CPM. This is one. Second, sequencing, hope we have completed in the college only. Sequencing and one more, what was that? Game theory. Yes, hope you are perfect in that. Perfect in the sense, you must know how to find sequence for the given problems. Once if you find the sequence, prepare a table and go and write the values. But think practically before you write the values correctly. Wherein we will get to know in the table which machine was kept idle for how many hours. And also with the table we will come to know all the jobs can be completed as per the sequence, how many hours, after how many times, after how many days, or after how many minutes we can able to complete all the jobs as per the sequence. I think that was talking of sequencing. In sequencing, hope you know, jobs are many always, okay, but machines 2, machine can be a 3, machine can be m and n machines. Hope you remember that kind of problems. Plus graphical method. Is it clear? Followed by a game theory. The complete module I have covered in the college. And the second module was started transportation. Am I right? In transportation assignment we had completed in the college only. Hope northwest corner also we had completed. And in the online classes, VAM, Vogel's approximation method we have covered, along with covering the northwest and as well as Hungarian method. That is assignment. In Modi test, optimality test by Modi, modified distribution method, up to 4th step we have covered, remember it. Okay, there were 4 steps in Modi. First, second, third and fourth we have covered. Last step is left, which when college reopens, I will explain you how that 5th step is going to come based on 4th step. In the 4th step, I think you are finding the unallocated cells values. Just recall the Modi method. Am I right? We are finding the values of unallocated cells in the matrix, wherein we will get the values of unallocated cells. If all values are getting positive, then you can say, yes sir, the 4th step itself reached a solution stage. Stage is reached for the solution. That itself is the answer. In case in the 4th step If some of the values are negative, if you got it, then fifth step we have to follow. That fifth step I explained in college. Is it clear? Well, after that we have taken Pert and CPM. Almost 90% we have covered now. I assume myself, I think this is the last problem, enough for you to know when such kinds of problems are going to come in the exam, if they come. Am I right? Yes, tell me something here. Pin drop silence. Halaskar, Mantesh, Prajwal and Bade Saheb. Yes, shall I repeat? Yes, shall I proceed to solve this problem? Yes. See, A and B. See here, nothing is given. Okay, don't you feel? A and B are the starting points now. Am I right? Do one thing, without numbering, you simply draw a circle like this, A and B, correct? But you show like this. A and B are the starting activities. As I told yesterday, what do you mean by activity? Okay, and both ends of activity is denoted by nodes. Am I right? Or event. Event is a point at a time. You want me to repeat all those? This is activity. Not necessary, no? Yeah, please theory part, that is all. This is activity. This is not event, please understand. These are the events, are nodes. Nodes are the points, simply points they are at a time, that's all, finish. But whereas activity is a kind of an operation. It consumes a certain time, uses resources to accomplish this activity. Okay, being an event, you have three types of events. Yes, what is that? Yes, can you tell me? Event can be a merge event, burst, M plus B, merge and burst event. Need not to explain once again, please. Okay, well, next C. Yes, C starts only after A completion, correct? Or A is followed by C. Will you agree? A is followed by C. Let me say A is followed by C. Don't you feel with this diagram? Let us give number later on to avoid confusion, correct? Yes. D starts only after B completion, correct? It means, what is that? Shall I write like this? D starts only after B. E starts only after B. Let me say E starts, okay. Next, F starts once C and D completes. C and D completes, what starts? F starts, correct? And G starts when E completes, or E is followed by G. Yes, how the diagram is now? As per the given problem we have drawn. Okay, correct? Now I think giving number is very easy for us. This is 1. Let us say this is 2, 3, 4. Can you see 4? This is 5, This is 6. So in the problem he has asked is find the critical path and project duration and draw the network diagram. Correct. See, any of the network diagram you are drawing either in the case of 1, 2 or 3. The diagram should be closed one. You cannot open like this. Say instead of G, if you draw like this, no, it is wrong. It is wrong. Open it is where it is closed. So this is right. This is wrong. Okay. Well, A takes 6, B is 5, C is C is 4, D is 4, D is 4, E is 4, F, yes, F is 6, G is 6, correct? Well, now can you identify how many of the events are merge event here? How many of the events, how many of the nodes are merge nodes in this given diagram? 4 and 6, correct? Well, yes, Vaichari, good morning, did late to join. Now you tell me how many of the nodes are burst events, burst node? Hey, just check. Hey, this is 1, this is 3. See here, bursting or not from the single node? Yes. There are 2 nodes. Array, please, you should be able to identify her. If you think and if you try to understand like this, you need not to study theory part only. Yes, very easily you can able to answer for the asked question in theory form. Well, now let us calculate. What is that? What to critical path we would like to know. For to know the critical path, we must find out earliest time and latest time. Come on, tell me. 6. What about here? What about here? You cannot write 9. 5 plus 4, 9 you cannot write because of forward direction, higher value should be written. Well, next. Yes. What about here? Array 9 yaar, बरोबर है. Don't get confused. Here. Here. हाँ 15 I should write or 16 I should write? हाँ correct. Well, correct. 16 minus 6 is 10. Here is 10. 16 minus 9 is how much? 9, 7. Sorry, this is G, no? Okay. Yes, this is 10. Correct. Okay. Next. Wherever there is a 0, can I put double line? Earliest time and latest time is also called as slack. Okay, slack. or it can be in slack. It is called as in Pert's language. I have written in the theory notes which I am sending you. If it is a Pert, then you can call it as a slack. But if it is a CPM, critical path method, we have to call it as a float. Both meaning are same. Okay, float or slack. Slack is the difference between latest time and earliest time. Am I right? Float is also nothing but latest time minus earliest time minus expected time. This is in case of CPM. In Pert also we get slack, but in float, instead of saying slack in case of CPM, we call it as a float. That clearly I have written. Last 8 minutes is left here. Okay, exactly 10 o'clock I had started. I think Prajwal was the first person to join exactly at 10:01. Yes, please understand that. Well, please come here. 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4. Yes, this is the double line. Why I not drawn here? Because difference between these two is not equal to 0. Therefore, I have not drawn a double line. Here I have drawn a double line because both difference of both equal to 0. Yes, 6 minus 6, 0. Now, what is the critical path? A, C, F. What is critical path? 1 to 2. 2 means A. Not 4 it is. A, C, F. See here, A, C, F are 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6. Correct? Correct. In somebody what they will do is, instead of 2 they say 3, and here they say 2. In that case what happens? 1, 3, 4, 6. Therefore it makes a confuse. Few write this is critical path, few write this is critical path, but both are correct. Only numbers they have given is differently. So most accurate one as per the idea is both are correct. Am I right? I had given 2 early, therefore it was become 2. But X person say 3. Here the same X person say 2. Instead of writing 2, 3, he will write 3, 2. Am I right? In that case both are correct. But for the valuer it is confused. What he has to do is, I have to go, this is 3. 3 is right. It means this is A. Therefore, instead of writing such fashion, better you write ACF. Have you followed? Yes. Any doubts in the whole Pert and CPM? Because last 5 minutes is left now. Really, have you taken serious in the academics now, at least now onwards? See, you have theoretical subjects. 1, additive manufacturing. You write anything, somehow you will pass it. Okay? Please come to the ESA. There are fixed derivations, standard derivations, repeatedly derivations are going to be asking. It means questions are sure you have. Only thing is practice is required. Lengthy of derivations, practice is required. Am I right? Yeah. What about OR? Tell me, can you predict any of the problems which are coming in the exam? You cannot predict. But if you know the procedure, if you know the technique of any method, enough for you to go for the exam with confidently. When you will get confident? If you write down the problem and try to solve on your own in your house. So that will become practice for you. Nothing is confirmed in war. Like in essay, derivations are fixed. There are few fixed derivations. They only have to ask. It means, therefore, I said it is confirmed. In additive manufacturing, write theory or take marks. But in war, there are no derivations. There are no theory part much. Only 10% theory part you have in the war. Remember that. Maximum 20%. 80% covers problem. So if you make it a practice, yes, you are success person in war. Otherwise, you will be in problem. Yes, anything you want to say to me, please. And as I said, please, when you are rejoining, you have to come with internship report with a blue colored page, front page. Have you prepared it or not yet? Yes, you ask others also, those who are not submitting on the day of reopening of the college. The very next day your seminar starts. Parallelly, technical seminar as well as internship seminar. One batch goes there, one batch comes here for internship seminar. So within 3 days your all in the seminars is going to complete. So for which I want a report. Without report we cannot conduct. And number 2, assignment anyway you have written first. Second, today I will upload in your WhatsApp group. And remember, whatever I have solved the problems, hope few of them will come from them only. In the online, whatever I have solved, few may not be. Follow the same procedure and solve it here. Take 3 days time, because already 2 assignments, second assignment was given by the concerned faculty. Hope you have completed already. Only purposely I did a late, because at once all give assignment. Which assignment you will write here? Therefore I thought let at least you complete those 2 second assignment by the given respective faculty. Then you come to my assignment, second assignment, so that you can write and submit like how you have submitted in the last, that is first assignment. 4 days you take. Okay, you submit that. Today I will upload you. Yes, anything is there to speak? Anything it can be. Yes. Notes also I will send today PDF. Okay. And hope if possible to take printout, take. Otherwise, till you get the hard copy, Xerox is not opened. Just go through in the mobile only, and hope that makes a practice for you to solve the problem. Am I right? Yes. I think 10:39 is going on, because limitation of Zoom app is 40 minutes only. Please take care. Take care of your parents also, yaar, because today you are in the final year because of your parents, not because of Vadigiri. Yes, I repeat this word. Yes, please. Vadigiri contribution is maximum 1% here to be you are in the final year. Maybe moral support I am giving you. Okay, probably I must have shaped you in life, only that much. But today you are in final year because of parents. Please take care of them. Very good day. Thank you. Bye.